Don't spend another dime at Walmart until you watch this. Today we're taking a detour from grilling to save you some serious cheddar cheese at Walmart. You won't believe how much you can save just by scanning a simple UPC with the Walmart app. Here's the deal. Walmart often has different prices for the same exact items depending on whether you buy it in store or online. I decided to test this out in the barbecue section. And the price differences will really blow your mind. Some items were way cheaper online while others are a better deal in store. I'll drop a link to my Walmart storefront down in the description. As a Walmart affiliate, your purchases through that link help support my channel. But you won't know unless you scan. The best part, the Walmart app is 100% free, no subscriptions, no hoops, just open the app, scan the barcode, and boom, you'll know where you're going to get the best price. And just a quick heads up, orders over $35 get free delivery, so it's a win-win. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and tap on that bell so you don't miss any of the smoky goodness coming your way.